Good morning students, this is Latif sir. In this video I will discuss about amorphous forms of carbon. In the first video on chapter 9 carbon and its compound, I have already discussed about different crystalline forms of carbon, that is diamond, graphite and fullerenes. And in this video I am going to discuss about amorphous forms of carbon. And the amorphous forms of carbon are charcoal, coal, lamp black, gas carbon and coke. These are amorphous forms of carbon. So first charcoal, you have to read this you have to read about these different amorphous forms of carbon. So first amorphous form is charcoal. What is charcoal is a black, soft and porous solid. Black, soft and porous solid. How it is formed? When organic substances such as wood, sugar or bone are heated strongly in the absence of air in a closed container, charcoal is formed. So how to produce charcoal? The method is you have to heat wood, sugar or bone strongly, okay, in absence of air in a closed container. And this process of heating organic substances strongly in absence of air is known as destructive distillation. Okay, so using destructive distillation method you can produce charcoal. The process of heating organic substances strongly in absence of air is known as destructive distillation. As a result of destructive distillation, a substance decomposes into its constituent substances. Okay. So the destructive distillation of sugar, bone gives sugar charcoal and bone charcoal. Destructive distillation of sugar gives sugar charcoal. Destructive distillation of bone gives bone charcoal. And when charcoal is heated further, it forms activated charcoal. Charcoal is heated further, it gives activated charcoal. An activated charcoal is more porous than charcoal. Okay, it is also soft and it is more porous than charcoal. So now see uses of charcoal. Charcoal is porous and has a large surface area with less volume, and it is used as an adsorbent to absorb gases. It is used as an adsorbent to absorb gases and colors. It is used as it is used as an adsorbent to absorb gases and colors. Hence it is used in gas mask. It is used in gas mask for industrial and military purposes. Second use, activated charcoal is used as an adsorbent in household water filter, and it is better adsorbent than charcoal is better adsorbent than only charcoal, and it is used as deodorizing agent for removing foul smells. The residue wood charcoal obtained after the destructive distillation of wood, and this wood charcoal is used as fuel for domestic purposes. Wood charcoal used as fuel for domestic purpose. Now second amorphous form of carbon is coal. What is coal? Coal is a black hard solid. It is formed by the process of coalification. So what is coalification? Coalification involves the conversion of wood or decayed vegetable matter into coal under high pressure, high temperature, and in absence of air, and this process takes millions of years. Okay, so qualification, it is a process, and qualification involves the conversion of wood or decayed vegetable matter into coal under very high pressure and high temperature and in absence of air, and this process take millions of years. Now types of coal: one is lignite, another is bituminous, and uh, anthracite. These are three basic types of coal: lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. And this classification is based on amount of carbon atom, amount of carbon or percentage of carbon present in coal. So first, lignite coal or brown coal. It is formed when peat and it is formed from peat and is brown in color. Lignite coal, it is formed from peat and is brown in color. It is considered to be the lowest rank of coal. Lowest rank of coal, lignite coal. Okay, lignite is light brown and contains about 60 to 70% carbon. Lignite coal contains 60 to 70% carbon. Second type of carbon, bituminous or soft coal. Bituminous is a black and contains about 70 to 90% carbon. 70 to 90% carbon. And it is further classified into high, medium, and low percentage coal. And bituminous coal is also known as household coal. And the last type of coal is anthracite coal or hard coal. It is the purest variety of coal. Purest variety of coal. So purest variety of coal is anthracite coal. It is hard, it is hard, dense, black, and contains about 92 to 98% carbon. So in anthracite carbon percentage of in anthracite coal, percentage of carbon is maximum 92 to 98 percentage, and percentage of carbon is minimum in lignite coal, 60 to 70% carbon present in lignite. In bituminous coal, carbon is percentage of carbon is 70% to 90%, and in anthracite carbon, percentage of carbon is 92 to 98. Now use of coal. See, use of coal. It is used as a fuel for industrial and domestic purposes. Used as fuel. It is used to prepare coke, coal gas, and coal tar. And it is the source for organic compounds such as benzene and naphthalene, and it is used in the manufacture of synthetic coal, perfumes, drugs, textile, and fertilizer. And next allotropic form of carbon is lamp black or soot, lamp black. What is lamp black? Lamp black or soot or carbon black, it is also called carbon black, is a fine black powder. It is a fine black powder, and it is prepared by burning of hydrocarbon such as kerosene, oil, and wax. It is prepared by burning hydrocarbons such as kerosene, oil, and wax, petrol, naphthalene, etc. in a limited supply of air. In a limited supply of air. Now see, use of lamp black. Examples of use of soot or lamp black are listed below. Soot is used as a pigment in the manufacture of shoe polish, paints, and colors. soot or lamp black is used as pigment in the manufacture of shoe polish, black paint, and colors, and it is used in the manufacture of printing ink cartridge. Okay, it is used in manufacture of printing ink. And next allotropic form of carbon, amorphous form, gas carbon. Gas carbon is a black powder that gets deposited on heating a hydrocarbon in the absence of air during the destructive distillation of coal. Gas carbon is a black powder that gets deposited on heating a hydrocarbon in the absence of air during the destructive distillation of coal. Use of gas carbon. Gas carbon is a good conductor of electricity, so it is used to manufacture electrodes. Gas carbon is used to manufacture electrode. And last amorphous form of carbon is coke. Coke is a dark black solid obtained as a residue during the destructive distillation of coal. Use of coke. It is used as an industrial fuel as it does not produce smoke on burning. It acts as a good reducing agent, and it is used in the manufacture of gaseous fuels such as water gas, producer gas. Okay, so student, you have to remember the different types amorphous forms of carbon and their physical properties and their use, one or two use. Okay.